ChangHong YILI Steel Structure and Engineering Company Limited, established in 2002, locating at ChangHong Northern Industrial Zone, Jimo City, Qingdao, China, and covering 330,000 square meters. This group has been issued a second-grade qualification of steel structure contract by the Ministry of Construction of China and certification by ISO 9001-2008 Quality System, CE, IWE. ChangHong YILI Steel Structure supplies steel structure construction, steel fabricated products, farm building such as cow pen, pig pen, and hot-dip galvanized products for series service as designing, manufacturing, fabricating and exporting. ChangHong YILI Steel Structure has advanced producing lines, including flame CNC cutting machine, assembling, automatic arc submerging welding, dressing, 3D H-beam drilling machine, sandblasting and sandblasting machine, corollary equipments including plate shearing machine, bending machine, colored corrugated sheet, and CZ purling forming machine and punching machine. Annual production capacity of steel structure is 20,000 tons. Steel fabricated products 8,000 tons, and hot-dip galvanized products 20,000 tons. ChangHong YILI Steel Structure has professional inspection instruments to make sure that all products are manufactured according to national or international standards. We have 15 years of production management experience and 12 years of foreign trade export experience. Therefore, products have been exported America, England, Luxembourg, Romania, Hungary, Ireland, Angola, Nigeria, and other countries and regions.